Good morning children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to start a grammar lesson. Articles. You know how many articles are there? 3 articles. What are they? A and the. These are the 3 articles. A and the. These are the 3 articles. Articles we can divide into 2. Indefinite articles, definite article. Indefinite. What do you mean by indefinite? Indefinite means they do not specify any particular person or a thing. Indefinite articles, they do not specify any particular person or thing. Then what are indefinite articles? A or an. These are indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. So, indefinite articles, they do not specify any person or thing. Definite article is the, because it specifies particular person or thing. So, the is definite article. One more thing, articles are used before nouns. Articles are used before nouns. So there are some rules when we use article A, when we use article and when we use article the. Let's see it now.
First of all, let's see the use of article A. Before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Look the examples. A cushion, a bag, a pencil. Here we can see each word starts with a consonant sound. Cushion, k sound. Bag, b. Pencil, p. So here we can see a word beginning with a consonant sound, we use article A. Next one, before vowels that have a sound of U. Look the examples. A useful knot, a union, a university. Useful, U sound is there. So, we use article A before the vowels that have a sound of U. Next one, before the word one, as it begins with the consonant sound of V. Look the example, a 1 rupee coin, a one-way road. So it sounds as V. But the word begins with 1, but it pronounced as V. 1. So before the word 1, as it begins with the consonant sound of V, we use article A. Next, the use of article A. It is used before certain expressions using numbers. Example, a dozen eggs, $100. So here we can see the numbers, but they are expressing in a certain way. So we use article A before these expressions. Next one, it is used when we mention something or some person for the first time. A man is waiting at the bus stand. A girl is crossing the road. So in these examples we can see a man. We are mentioning that man for the first time. A girl, we are mentioning the girl for the first time. So for mentioning a person or a thing for the first time, we use article A. Next, we are going to see when we use article an. It is used with the words beginning with a vowel sound. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we use article an with the words beginning with vowel sound only. Examples, an orange, an ice cream, an umbrella. Next, article an, it is used with the words beginning with a silent H. Here, H is silent in these words. Examples, an honors maid, an honorable post, an hour. So you can see H is silent here. In that case also we use article an. Now we are moving to article the. It is used before the superlative degree of an adjective. We have already learned 3 degrees of comparison. What are they? Positive, comparative and superlative. Before the superlative degree of an adjective, we use article the. Example, the best book, the most intelligent girl. Article the is used before the names of mountain ranges, rivers, oceans, islands, famous buildings, newspapers, holy books, deserts, ships. So you can see examples for each one. Mountain ranges, the Himalayas. Rivers, the Ganga. Oceans, the Indian Ocean. Islands, the Lakshadweep Island. Famous buildings, the Red Fort. Newspapers, the Hindustan Times. Holy books, the Quran. Deserts, the Sahara Desert. Ships, the Titanic. So here we use article the. Article the is used before celestial bodies. You know celestial bodies, sun, moon, stars. So before these celestial bodies we use article the. Next, before the parts of a day, in the morning, in the evening. So before the parts of the day we use article the. Next, before the ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? First, second, third, like that. So before the ordinal numbers we use article the. Example, the 5th line, the 8th page. Next one, before the historical events. When we refer to historical events we use article the. The Republic Day, the Battle of Panipat. Next, when the same person or thing is mentioned again. Look at the example, I bought a book. The book is very thick. So you can see the second sentence, the book. The book is mentioned again. To mention a person or a thing, we use article the. A girl is sitting on a bench. The girl is looking worried. So here also you can see same person is mentioned again. So we use article the. Next one, when a singular noun is used to point out the whole class. To point out the whole class. Example, the cow is a holy animal. So the cow referred to all class. To mention the whole class of a singular noun, we use article the before it. Another example, the rose is a beautiful flower. Here also the rose. So that singular noun is used to point out the whole class. There are certain places where no articles are used. Which are they? They are before the names of persons, days, months, place, country. Example, Spain is a beautiful country. So here you can see a name is given there. Spain, it's a name of a country. But before the name of a country, we never use any articles. Like that, he will come back on Sunday. A day is mentioned here, name of a day, Sunday. So here also, we never use any articles. Next one, before the names of materials. Example, gold is a precious metal, gold. That material is referred here. We never use any article. Children should drink milk every day. Milk. Before that material also, we never use any article. Next, before the name of diseases and illness. Look at the example, Sunita is suffering from COVID-19. You can see the name of a disease. So before the name of a disease or illness, we never use any article. Next one, before the names of languages and educational subjects. Languages like French, English, then educational subjects like science, commerce. Before these names also, we never use any articles. Then the last one, before abstract noun. Honesty is the best policy. So here you can see honesty, that's the abstract noun. Before the abstract noun also, we never use any articles.
So I hope you understood where to use these articles. Is it clear to you? Right. So read page number 69 and 70. You can see the rules once again. Okay. Read it well and do the exercise. So we shall meet again on the next class. Till then, bye children.